Yesterday we read the Grok 4.5 benchmark map. Today we operationalize it. A scoreboard without routing is trivia. Production needs a switch. Task type in. Model out. Cost tag logged. Failover ready. This episode builds that policy in N8N. 3 lanes. Grok 4.5 for hard coding and multi-step agents. A cheaper chat model for rewrites and simple summaries. A backup provider for outages and rate limits. Same brief template. Same validator. Different model keys. If you already built model routing earlier in this series, today we retune the map for Grok 4.5 reality. Define task types as data, not vibes. Code fix multi-file. Agent tool loop. Architecture inspect. Simple rewrite. Client summary. Long document synthesis. Sensitive data path. Research with web tools. Map each type to a default model and a max token budget. From the scoreboard logic. Long agent resolve and terminal style work prefer Grok 4.5. Bulk rewrites prefer chat class. High resolve rate contests also trial a second coding model on a canary %. Sensitive data prefer approved VPC or openweight, never random public keys. Write the map in a JSON config node, not in someone's head. Chain shape, webhook or QN. Classify task type with a small prompt or rule engine. Look up route config. Build the 5-part brief. Call primary model. On 429, back off then retry once. On 401, swap key. On 5xx or timeout, jump to backup provider. Validate schema and banned phrases. Log tokens, model, latency, task type, and cost estimate. Return output. Optional human queue when confidence is low. Keep nodes single purpose. Classification never drafts. Draft never validates. Validator never logs finance. That discipline keeps debugs sane when bills spike. Every model call writes a cost row. Task ID, task type, model ID, provider, input tokens, output tokens, estimated dollars, latency, attempt number, key alias, not raw secret, success or error code. Without tags you cannot compare Grok 4.5 efficiency claims to reality. With tags you see cost per successful outcome by lane. Alert if one task type earns more than its daily cap. Alert if reasoning share of spend exceeds 30% without revenue tie-in. Push rows to a sheet or warehouse. Weekly chart for leadership. 5 minutes. No mystery invoices. Failover is policy. Primary Grok 4.5 on coding agents. Secondary can be another frontier coding model or a chat path depending on task criticality. Circuit breaker opens when error rate crosses threshold. Health ping every 5 minutes. Half open probe after cooldown. Never rotate all keys the same day. Never auto-send client email from a backup path without the same validator. Log which attempt path 1. That is how you prove recovery under 5 minutes in a drill. Benchmarks do not save you during an outage. Wiring does. Do not invent routes in production. Test the same brief on Grok 4.5 and your chat model in PromptForge. Record quality and tokens. Only then lock the N8N map. Start with 1 product area. 10 task types max. Canary 10% of traffic to new routes for a week. Compare edit distance and cost tags. Expand when the canary wins or ties. Roll back when it loses. This is how scoreboard numbers become ops without drama. Your move. Export your task type JSON. Wire 3 model credentials. Add cost logging. Run 20 synthetic tickets through the chain. Then 10 real ones in staging. Tune in tomorrow. We design the team standard for AI coding agents. Agents.md, review gates, and when humans must approve before merge. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.